This video is about Obsidian and why it's a best learning tool for students. I'll show you all my setup and how I learn and capture knowledge in Obsidian. Last year in January, I got admission in university as a physics major, and I was really excited for my first physics class. The way we study normally in our schools and colleges is that we are tasked to create fair copies, where everything we study in class will be written down on a separate notebooks so we can study it later for exams. I searched on internet for a tool where I can write down everything and study and later revise it for exams. That's where I found Obsidian. Obsidian is a note-taking app that lets you store, link, and help you visualize your ideas. It was the tool I was looking for my studying and working purposes. At the same time, I also got to know about Notion, which was more like a productivity app. It could also be used for study and learning purposes, but I went with Obsidian for some of its features that I will talk about in this video. But first, let me give you guys a tour of my vault. What you are looking at now is my main vault. I have 6 folders, each folder is for a learning and working purpose. Journal knowledge contain both academic and non-academic notes. Life folders hold notes of my progress in different areas of life. Imagination and writing are where I write my essays and short fanfic stories. Playground is where I keep my canvas that holds the visual world. Library, as you have guessed, is where I keep all my books and documents. Lastly, there is archive. I use this folder to store some extra things like pictures, quick notes, and my YouTube scripts. And on the right side, I have a calendar and a note with a GIF. Another reason I chose Obsidian is because of this note graph. Each dot represents a note in my vault, and you can link one note to another. It makes a chaotic web of notes all connected with each other. Obsidian comes with many great plugins, which you can install through community plugins. These are plugins I use. Pixel Banner to add banners in my notes or dashboard. An editing toolbar to edit and write my notes, usually disabled. Iconize to give icons to my folders. I also change the fonts. Obsidian has 3 font options. The main interference font, which I have set Inter, text font which I have set Charter, and the monospace font for code blocks which I set to JetBrains Mono. You can change the font of your need. Last is style settings, which I use to customize my theme. Speaking of themes, Obsidian provides different variety of themes that are created by wonderful community of Obsidian. I currently use Anupuchin, I hope I said it correct, which is popular theme and it is also customizable. You can customize it through style settings to set different color schemes and many other features. If you want extra colors, you can download the CSS file that comes with this theme. Place it in the snippet folder and activate it. Other features that this theme provides is these custom little icons. Should I call them icons? I don't know. Well, these are really helpful for marking on my notes. Overall, I am satisfied with this setup. It's simple, clean and minimal, but I will customize it in the future to make it more good looking. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and got to know something new. If you are a student and you are looking for a learning tool, I highly recommend you to use Obsidian. It is available for Windows, Mac, and also on mobile. With that, my name is Ryan and I will see you in next video.